The sun is shining. It's after work for me. Hey, alright. Okay. Oh, really? Just going to get onto the Taff trail. Woo! See how the river actually came over this trail. Woo! There you go. Should be alright there for a minute. Still running fast, but nowhere near. See the scale of it, just the amount of debris that's been caught there. Look, path temporarily closed. Is there a diversion? Just see the amount of debris. Oh crikey, the whole path has come away here. Whew. Crikey. What? I didn't think I'd have to battle my way to get my place on the Taff trail. Completely off the Taff trail. Well, the gate for Castell Coch is open. I'm going to keep riding up into the woods. Pretty heavy flowing stream. Now riding on a stream. So the main stream is overflowing a lot. Hi mate. The Topeak mini tool. Drop down the gear, go back up to the 50 Taff. A little bit of mud in my eye. I'm just trying to mash the pedals a little bit on different sprockets. So I'm mid cassette now. Put a bit of effort into those pedals. So anything about buying a used cassette, and I don't know what the history is. Loosening off the tension. Oh, it's in. Obviously, this is a bit risky. Putting all my effort into that. 11th. know what else we got now? Up on the pedals. So it just looks full of water. Put my buff over my mouth. Try and look ahead. Oh. I'm like in the 6th or 7th sprocket now. And oh my goodness. Oh. This is the first ride after work I've had where the sun is above the horizon, and there's the evidence. You see up the valleys, that's Craigarach over there, that's Garth Mountain over there. Brilliant. I can go right here, but it's going to be so crazily wet down there. I think I will stay up there in the woods. Oh. It's always nice to have a look at it. I haven't seen it for a while. Oh, it's pretty soft here though. That's pretty soft. Oh, yeah, that is soft. Got the hillbilly on the front, which I can feel is digging in. So glad I got that chunky hillbilly on there. That felt really soft coming down there then. A bit sketchy. And here I am by Castle 4. Woo! Brilliant. Of course it was St. David's Day, which is patron saint of Wales, on Sunday. That was only a couple of days ago. Represented by the daffodil and the leek. Haigh Castle, Cardiff. So I'm going to have a little fiddle with the eagle now. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. Whoop. Okay. There we go, top of Rada Climb. Bye. I'm in the 52th. Glass on the floor, you want to try and avoid that. Have your wits about you all times. Fairwater Leisure Centre. Sun setting now, temperature dropping. 20k. I'm so looking forward to banana bread.